Hey there, welcome back. As promised in my last video, what I will show you in this video is how to apply stickers on semi-permanent nail polish. A promise is a promise, right? I will also show you how to clean your nails and how to switch from round to square shape of your nail. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna use this nail tool to push my cuticles. And then with the sharp part, I'm gonna clean the surface of my nail. You can do this with a wooden stick too. Just push your cuticles, then clean the surface of your nail. When you're done with this part, use a nail file and clean the sides of your nails. About switching from round to square, you have two ways. Either you cut with the scissors your nail, then use a nail file and adjust it properly. And there you have your square shape. Or you can just use a nail file and adjust it with it. This will take longer. I'll continue with the rest of the nails. What you need to do next is soften your cuticles in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. And after that, cut your cuticles with the scissors. Hard part has been done. Now let's have some fun, and by fun I mean applying the semi-permanent nail polish. I'll start by applying one layer of primer. This helps the base coat stick longer to the nail. I'll continue with 2 layers of base coat and I will let it dry in the UV lamp after applying each layer. As the base coat is on, I'll continue by applying 2 layers of colored nail polish, semi-permanent one. And after applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Now let's apply the stickers. I'll apply some butterflies, just like last time, a black one. I'll just push the sticker to my nail, and also a white one. And I'll apply 1 layer of top coat. What I also recommend, at the end, just place your hand in the UV lamp and let it dry one more time. Finish the whole process by degreasing your nails with some nail degreaser. Now, looking at my previous video, you can compare how stickers look on regular nail polish versus semi-permanent one. Hope this was useful information for you. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more do-it-yourself tutorials and turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!